Computers are amazing machines. They can process information and perform tasks much faster than humans. But computers don't understand human language. They have their own language, called machine code, which is made up of zeros and ones. Writing code in machine language is difficult and time-consuming. That's why programming languages were invented. Programming languages allow us to write instructions for computers in a way that is easier for humans to understand. These instructions are then translated into machine code that the computer can execute. Programming languages have revolutionized the way we interact with computers. They are the building blocks of everything from simple phone apps to complex artificial intelligence systems. Each programming language has its own strengths and weaknesses, making it suitable for different types of tasks. Some languages are good for building websites, while others are better for analyzing data or creating video games. In this essay, we will explore the fascinating stories of some of the most influential figures in computer science, the creators of the programming languages that power our world. James Gosling was born in Canada in 1955. He is a renowned software developer, best known as the father of the Java programming language. Gosling's passion for computers began at a young age. Gosling pursued his interest in computer science at the University of Calgary, earning his bachelor's degree. He continued his studies at Carnegie Mellon University, where he received his PhD in 1983. His doctoral thesis was on an interactive graphics editor called Emacs for the Unix operating system. After completing his PhD, Gosling worked at Sun Microsystems, where he played a pivotal role in the development of the News Window system. However, it was his work on the Oak project, later renamed Java, that brought him international recognition.
Guido van Rossum, born in the Netherlands in 1956, is the creator of the Python programming language. Known for its readability and versatility, Python has become one of the most popular programming languages worldwide. Van Rossum's journey to creating Python is as interesting as the language itself. His interest in electronics and computers began at a young age. He went on to study mathematics and computer science at the University of Amsterdam, graduating with a master's degree in 1982. Before creating Python, Van Rossum worked on the ABC language at the Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica in the Netherlands. While at CWI, he also worked on the Amoeba distributed operating system. Dissatisfied with the limitations of existing languages at the time, he set out to create a language that was both powerful and easy to use.
Dennis Ritchie, born in the United States in 1941, was a computer scientist who made significant contributions to the development of computer operating systems and programming languages. He is best known for creating the C programming language and co-creating the Unix operating system, both of which have had a profound impact on the computing world. Ritchie received his bachelor's and PhD degrees in physics and applied mathematics from Harvard University. After graduating, he joined Bell Labs, where he spent the majority of his career. At Bell Labs, Ritchie worked with a team of programmers, including Ken Thompson, to develop the Unix operating system. They needed a language that was efficient and portable to different computer architectures. This led to Ritchie's development of the C programming language.
Section 5, Bjarne Stroustrup, expanding the power of C++.
Bjarne Stroustrup, born in Denmark in 1950, is a computer scientist best known for creating and developing the C++ programming language.
C++ builds upon the C programming language, adding features such as object-oriented programming, which have made it a popular choice for developing large-scale software applications.
Stroustrup's passion for computers and programming led him to study at Aarhus University in Denmark, where he earned his master's degree in mathematics and computer science.
He then went on to receive his PhD in computer science from the University of Cambridge in England.
After completing his PhD, Stroustrup joined Bell Labs, where he began working on C++. He wanted to create a language that combined the efficiency of C with the power and flexibility of object-oriented programming.
And that's how C++ came to be, a language that truly expands the power of C.
Section 6, Yukihiro Matsumoto, making programming fun with Ruby. Yukihiro Matsumoto, born in Japan in 1965, is a computer scientist and software programmer, best known as the chief designer of the Ruby programming language.
Matsumoto, often referred to as Mats in the programming community, is known for his emphasis on programmer happiness and productivity.
Matsumoto developed an early interest in programming during his high school years. He later graduated from the University of Tsukuba with a degree in information science.
After university, he worked as a software engineer at a Japanese open-source software company. Matsumoto's desire to create a language that prioritized programmer happiness led him to develop Ruby in the mid-1990s.
He wanted a language that was both powerful and enjoyable to use, drawing inspiration from languages like Perl, Smalltalk, and Lisp.
Section 7, Rasmus Lerdorf, Building the Web with PHP. Rasmus Lerdorf, born in Greenland in 1968, is a programmer and software engineer best known for creating PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor, one of the most widely used server-side scripting languages for web development.
Lerdorf's creation has played a crucial role in shaping the modern internet, powering countless websites and web applications.
Lerdorf's interest in computers began at a young age. He pursued his passion by studying systems design engineering at the University of Waterloo in Canada.
Before creating PHP, Lerdorf worked on various web development projects. He needed a tool to manage his personal websites more efficiently, which led to the initial development of PHP in 1994. Section 8, Brendan Eich JavaScript and the web's dynamic script. Brendan Eich, born in the United States in 1961, is a computer programmer and technologist best known for his creation of JavaScript, a scripting language that revolutionized web development. Eich's work has had a profound impact on the interactivity and dynamism of the modern internet. Eich earned a bachelor's degree in mathematics and computer science from Santa Clara University and a master's degree in computer science from the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign. Before creating JavaScript, Eich worked at Silicon Graphics and Micro-Unity Systems Engineering. In 1995, he joined Netscape Communications Corporation, where he was tasked with developing a scripting language for the Netscape Navigator web browser. Section 9, Niklas Wirth Pascal and the Power of Structured Programming. Niklas Wirth, born in Switzerland in 1934, is a computer scientist who has made significant contributions to software engineering and programming language design. He's best known for designing and implementing several influential programming languages, including Pascal, Modula 2, and Oberon. Wirth studied electronics engineering at the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Zurich, ETH Zurich, earning his diploma in 1959. He then went on to receive his master's degree from Laval University in Canada and his PhD from the University of California, Berkeley in 1963. Wirth's work has had a lasting impact on computer science education and software development. Pascal, in particular, was widely adopted as a teaching language in universities and played a significant role in shaping the principles of structured programming.